Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. In today's video you will find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and Stochastic Rsi are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. By looking at the hourly time frame for IOTA, we can see that the price moved up quickly with around 5.4% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 1.31. The volume was also high, showing that this move was strong and the buyers are taking over. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the price only peaked above the 200 SMA, but then once again came down, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. The price crossed the 20 SMA upwards decisively with higher than average volume, which is a strong signal. The current price is between the 20 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 1.31, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 1.33 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is in the hourly ribbon, so you should see if the ribbon could hold support, currently at around 1.31. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the support should be considered. Looking at the hourly Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but we can see that the trend is currently going down because the K line is below the D line. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 1.3, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 1.33 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is in the 3-hourly ribbon, so it is to see if the price can break the resistance currently at around 1.31. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Moving to the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, both the %K and %D lines are in the higher region, which means that the price is getting overbought and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. The K line is currently located below the D line, meaning that there is a downwards trend. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 100 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 1.3, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 1.35 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the current price went below the daily ribbon, so you should see if the price can jump back above the ribbon or it will play as a resistance to the upside, currently at around 1.32. Looking at the daily Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is over the %D line, which means the current trend is to the upside. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.